Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I have my DJI Mini 4K and I have a few of my friends. And today we're gonna
put it together.
He's the one in the orange shirt is the one who unfolded our drone today. And today we're gonna do a little bit of a smoke survey of the area. So in Colorado we have been having some major wildfires.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
We're gonna take this up and we're gonna survey some of the fires.
Yeah.
So
some of the bad fires. And
some of the bad fires. You're right.
Way more anchors than usual. We'll have to evacuate ASAP.
So let's get the shutter down so that way we can see, or up. That way we can see a little more. And nothing gets over highlighted. So out to the west, we can, southwest, we can visibly see a thick layer of smoke just lining the whole ground. That is not clouds. That is indeed low floating smoke from the Aspen Acres fire. Let's push this up a bit more. Now, I believe when we look west, I'm going to zoom in on it. Right in that little canyon right there, or no, it should be back behind this weird looking mountain right here. So I'll put a circle around it, and there is a fire behind that. As you can see, I think that's a plane flying back there, probably dumping water on it.
It's a helicopter.
Oh, it is? I thought I heard helicopters like that they were gonna dump on them. So yeah, that is our smoke survey of the area. This is Trail to Trigger, and I'm out.